What a dramatic day and evening it's been in Rajasthan, and it's not over yet. The Chief Minister and his MLAs who are sitting on Dharna in the Raj Bhavan lawns in Jaipur have just ended their Dharna after 5 hours. They're now heading, Ashok Gehlot and his ministers, for a late-night cabinet meeting where there will be a new proposal on calling an assembly session which will be sent to the governor. The governor has assured Ashok Gehlot apparently that he will consider this proposal. So that's what is happening in Rajasthan. Let's just look at the developments of the day.
दबाव किस प्रकार का दबाव उनके ऊपर पड़ रहा है, वो चाहते हुए भी
जिस तरीके से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री, माननीय
Well, let's go across now live to Harsha. Harsha, so a long night ahead in Rajasthan's, well, night of long knives in a sense. What's happening currently? Will Kalraj Mishra, and I remember, of course, Kalraj Mishra and BJP veteran, ex-minister in the Modi government, will he accept what the Rajasthan Chief Minister wants?
Well, as of now, he has assured them. He has said that, you know, the proposal that has been sent for calling the Vidhan Sabha just says that the Chief Minister would like to call an assembly session. And he's told the Chief Minister that you go back, have a cabinet meeting and meet your Council of Ministers and resend the proposal to me, and I will look at it. I will look at it. He's assured them about that. He's assured them that he will look at it. They have to just have the meeting at 9:30 and then they'll send it back to him at about 10 o'clock tonight. But now the interesting thing is, we were talking to the Department of Press Minister when he came out, and he said, you see, in the past also, there is no agenda, no reason given. In the past too, he said, the letter goes from the Chief Minister saying he would like to call the House, and the House is called. It's his prerogative. Also, interestingly, Sonia, the Department of Press Minister has told us that Ashok Gehlot has given a list of 102 MLAs in writing to the governor to say that he has a majority in the House.
Right, so let's see how that actually plays out. And also, why is Ashok Gehlot, now the BJP has said that you should have had the floor session, the floor test in the assembly 10 days ago. Why did you go to this legal battle if you had this majority? So why actually did Ashok Gehlot decide to go to court and now say have an assembly session?
Well, you see, when the options ran out in court, that's when he decided to go in for a floor test. Because remember, the Congress's plan all along was to disqualify those MLAs. The halfway mark would have come down and then he would have comfortably proved his majority. Right now, it's razor thin. In a 200-member house, it's at 102. So if even one person goes this way and that way, it can lead to the fall of his government. So perhaps when he realized that it was making no headway in the court, that's when he decided that to have a floor test is the only option before him.